Only on them sleeves if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeve, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chinese anyway, yeehaw. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow, I ain't know these bitches see now. Married the shooter case, you niggas try to breathe loud. Boom your face off, then I tell them ceasefire. I'm the AB, only on the sleeves if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeve, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chinese anyway, yeehaw. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow, I ain't know these bitches see now. Married the shooter case, you niggas try to breathe loud. Boom your face off, then I tell them ceasefire. I'm the AB, 700 on the horses when we fixin' the leaves. But I don't fuck with horses since Christopher Reeves. Gotta be careful when I dip, it's flips all in the whip. It's 40s with 30 clips, FNs with the six, guacamole with the taco. Waiting on El Chapo, came in the rolls and left low in the tempo. Da da da, 100 rounds on a grat da da. Real one like a shot da da. She my love vibe, my love Bad girl don't run from nobody like Good boy want me touching on his body like Boy I be dead if he ever diss me. Know what to do if he ever miss me. Miss me with the da da da, 100 rounds on a grat da da. Real one like a shot da da. She my love vibe, my love Bad girl don't run from nobody like Good boy want me touching on his body like Boy I be dead if he ever diss me. Know what to do if he ever miss me. Miss me on the sleeves if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeve, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chinese anyway, yeehaw. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow, I ain't know these bitches see now. Married the shooter case, you niggas try to breathe loud. Boom your face off, then I tell them ceasefire. Only on them sleeves if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeve, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chinese anyway, yeehaw. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow, I ain't know these bitches see now. Married the shooter case, you niggas try to breathe loud. Boom your face